to the hardest thing. This is actually the hardest freaking tower. This has the hardest towers in Roblox Store. And now I'm lagging. Wait. Are you serious? Serious? This move has gotten 141. Are you serious? Done that much? I thought she was a beginner. But it turns out it isn't have beginners. And it's extremely laggy, so yeah, I was thinking of vague. Oh, I could shoot you. Yeah, it's very easy, you see. Oh, hi. Oh, yes. The dodge. These things. But just decoration? No. Ooh. Hell no, bro. What the hell? Oh. No! Oh my god! Why? God damn it. God damn it. Like this. Oh, what the hell just happened? Sorry if this is too laggy. I'm on a tablet. It's extremely laggy. Yeah. Because I didn't waste too much of this time. Wait. Yes! I'm finally done. This horror. With this horror, I'm finally getting finished. I hope I'm gonna beat this right now or today or later. I don't care. Oh. No. Ow! Are you serious? But I have an idea. I had an idea, but it failed, so I'm gonna try to do to control this idea. Oh! I want to feel myself, but that's not even a, but I cannot. Yes. I can carry you. I said in this game when I am first to go there. But now I actually win. And instead I'm going here. So I could carry you right here. There's no progress. Oh. That is very. Oh, I don't need to. Leap of Doom. Yes. This is actually extremely hard. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Oh my god. It's taking a lot of time just to get past. Okay. Okay, this is really internal tower of hope because it's really hard and it's really ooh yes. I just flung myself. I used too much force and I would just fall right back down. This leap of faith. Leap of faith! Yes! This tower actually has mercy. I think I got hurt, but I'm not hurt. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. I'm in the second area of this tower. This is TOG, but oh, it's just a part of TOG. Great. I thought this was a different tower of hill, and instead it was just the same tower. Wait. Yes, you gotta climb, baby. Yes, fine. That dude actually bad. Wait, what? What am I supposed to do now? Like, what am I supposed to do? Wait. Is it gonna be hard for her? Ow. It's like, it actually works. Okay, cute. Okay, where I went. So I did, and then it just rage baits me. Remember this. Oh, so this is where I was supposed to go. Oh, let's simply just walk around it. This is extremely hard. Yes! Let's go! I'm at the second layer. Wait, this is the third layer. Ooh. This is extremely hard. Not only I have to dodge the what is it called? Oh, lava bricks. Which hurt you. So they'll just insta kill you. I have to dodge them. Ouch! Okay, still this 5 damage, but yes. Yes! Oh, I reach clouds. God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh no. God. God. Oh. God. Ah!
Next, Lolo. Dali, sige. Please. Nangain tayo dyan, nangain. Upo ka lang yan.
So long.
What's that?
Olympics.
Ayan, no? Ano yan?
Olympics.
Olympic.
Yan?
Ano yan?
Fastest.
Unang balita. Sige, tignan ko. Ay, kala ko unang balita.
Ano?
Balita.
Yan?
Yung news.
Good. This one to be around.
Asa na tayo?
Uy. Yes. It seems
Asa
like
mo? Eh, paano mo maririnig yan? Paano tayo makikinig yung balita?
seems like it seems like there was a shortcut that saved me from getting so mad that I will literally destroy this tablet of mine. Oh yes. Oh. Yes. Meow.
Ito ang mga kuha ng CCTV na mangyari ang putukan sa Senado noong Miyerkules, May 30. Kita ng mga tauhan ng Office of Senate Sergeant Arms o OSAA, ang mga taga-NBI na
Lalong yung
nasa
lamig sa
GSIS.
tulak.
Good.
Operatives, including the PNP and the Marines,
Supposed to go
and
down.
gave the order
Wait.
to lock and load. In his order, you could see the Marines were cocking their guns.
Please.
So it is
Yes.
lock and load.
Yes.
After this,
Yes!
you proceeded to the hall, leading to the doorway near
Hindi. Hindi ako
Then Malaplasta did it in full view of the press. In normal situations, if there is
Yes.
a perceived confrontation, you will clear the building
Yes.
of all personnel because of staying
Yes,
possible
sir.
safety. However, he allowed them to follow.
Maya-maya makikita si Acting Senate Sergeant at Arms Mao at Plaska na una nagpaputok.
Mind you, there was nobody there.
Bumati ng pasok kay sa NBI agent habang umaatras pa rin sa mga taga-usaha. Cover fire ang tawag dito ng pulisya. Hanggang sa nasundan pa itong sunod-sunod na putok ng
Saan mo
marine.
binili?
Apat na pasyon ng una ng pulisya na karamihan malapit ay nangyari sa loob ng
Sa inyo?
Senado o sa pwesto ng usaha.
For our ballistics examination, those 44 fire cartridges came from four firearms.
Ayan. Sana ako
Meaning,
makita.
meron tayong
I'm
apat
just
na
gonna go down there.
Bukod kay Plaska,
Oh.
tuloy na raw nila ay iba pang nagpaputok ng marine.
Yep.
Inilabas din ng PNP ang CCTV sa GSIS. Nasa 27 ng mga taga-NBI ay nakadeploy sa GSIS. Nakatabi lang ng Senado. Malinaw daw na hindi naka-tactical gear o wala sa formang makikipagbakbakan ng mga taga-NBI. Taliwas na naging gano'n ng OSAA at ang mga kasama nilang Marines. Kasunod daw ito ng hinitig GSIS President Arnulfo Binoso na naalarma sa mga nangyayari sa Senado at matapos manawagan ng
I
suporta ni
swear the
Senador
lag
Pablo
is
de la Rosa.
giving me a
May mga
super
labuson kasi mula sa Senado papasok sa GSIS at malalagay sa peligro ang mga mamahaling painting na nasa loob at ang seguridad ng gusali kapag nagkagulo sa Senado. Pero bago pa raw yan, umaga pa lang, ay may
Ipo,
ginagawa
Faith!
ang pagpapainting ng seguridad ng GSIS sa kanilang mga labusan. Alam daw ito ng maintenance management ng GSIS at Senado.
They had duly informed the maintenance of the Senate that there was really drilling going on in
Oh
all
my
the
God,
doors
I'm in
of
the heavens.
Senate connecting
Is this the
from
end of the
GSS
tower?
connecting to the Senate.
I swear if I
really good at
fall, I'll get
At base raw sa resulta ng
extremely
kanilang
mad.
investigasyon, Malinaw niya na
Because
wala
this is
nangyaring
what
pag-atake
the
sa Senado.
started.
All evidence points that there was no
This is
attack
only
on
the
the Senate.
beginning of
I would like to repeat,
the most
all evidence
hardest
points
time.
that there was no attack on the Senate.
Taliwas ito sa nauna na giniit ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano.
Leap of faith. Leap of faith. No!
Gun-related incident ang nangyari sa kabila ng subpina na isipin na kanyang ginamit ang baril. Hindi raw sa report sa CIDG at Alaska. Sinisigat na may makuha ang kanyang panik. Ngayon din si Cayetano tungkol sa mga pahayag ng DILG. Naniniwala rin si Senador Rafi Tulfo na walang nangyaring pag-atake.
Nagkaroon ng guruhan dahil may napagpapot, hindi naman nagpupisa. So, literally, kung
This dog is
if you look at the
giving me
perspective from a military perspective, may walang atak doon. Kasi
reconstruction.
nag-warning siya.
Faith again.
Tapos ngayon, dumapit isa. So, sila lang ang inaawin ko naman. Walang kinalaman yung mga
I have to
senators.
be extra
Para
careful.
ng mga senador, magkaroon ng malawak, impartial at komprehensibong investigasyon.
Because
I want to see this independent investigation. Hindi dapat ang sinabi rin na investigahan.
carefully
Of course, hindi
around
dapat
it.
investigahan.
Let's carefully walk around. This tower, these towers will give no mercy. So,
Ang ombudsman, pinapasunod ang mga pangalan ng media na nasa Senado noong May 13 hanggang 14. Hawak na rin daw ng pulisya pero hindi pinakita ang pinakamahalaga ebidensya. Ang pagsakay umanon de la Rosa sa puting SUV na pag-aari ni Senador Robin Padilla. Ang puting SUV yung sasakyan na kuha na ng GMA News sa lumabas sa Senado noong alas 12:30 ng madaling araw noong May 14.
Opo, nasakyan ko po yan.
Kinumpirma ni Padilla na sa kanya ito sa parayan ng 24 oras, binigyan din ng DOJ na ang paglabas sa Senador de la Rosa sa Senado ay nangyari habang siya ay nasa protected custody nito.
Yeah, Fortunan, White Fortunan, and
Ow, ow, ow!
is ruled out from the Senate,
no!
particularly Senator Baton and going to the vehicle na Fortunan. Napag-aakita na natin yung
Kasi umulan pa yung singaw, no?
video na. Simpleng pagkakaintindi po namin, no? Yung sinabing nasa protected custody nila, nasa kanila si Senator na to. So, kaya pag wala na yung legal impediment to serve yung arrest warrant, di ba? Dapat, pag hiningin sa kanila ng Department of
Yes.
Justice, so hindi
The
dapat ang
checkpoint.
Senado i-turn over si
I'm gonna
Senator na to.
continue tomorrow.
Ito ang unang balita. Van Medinas, GMA
I am
News.
gonna
Tumaas na mahigit 20% ang net worth ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos sa third grade ni Riza Marcos nitong 2025 kumpara ng 2024. Batay sa latest nilang Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth of Salary. Narito po ang aking unang balita.